Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Madison Olivia, and today on my channel we are going to review the Revlon styler. It is called the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I'm very excited to try this product. I have never used one of these before. However, my roommate has kind of like the Amazon knockoff version of this, so I'm going to be doing a review on this product and a quick kind of line up to see the main differences and how they perform and if the Revlon styler is worth it. So I'm about to unbox this. Cool. So in the box there's just the styler pretty much. They put it at an angle because it's so big. Pretty hefty little tool right here. Alright, so it came in a plastic bag with some instructions. Hopefully it's not too hard. Cool. So I got the blue one. Very cool. It really does look like a hairbrush, and I guess when you plug it in, it's a hair dryer too. This is going to be so much fun to use. I'll show you guys quickly how I use it. I'll put some music or something over it so you don't have to hear the hair dryer edit or hair drying capabilities. That's full speed. Maybe I'll leave it in for a second so you can hear it, but here it is. Let's go try it out. All right, welcome to my bathroom. We're gonna do a quick review on this product. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. It's called the Revlon styler. It's got the functions on the back is off, cool, low, and high. So I think I'm gonna start off with low. So let's see how that goes. That's high, that's low, and that's cold. Cool. So, I guess you just kind of, let me brush my hair properly. And if anyone's curious, I'm using the wet brush. You can get these pretty much anywhere. Amazon, TJ Maxx often has them. But yeah, it's a really good hairbrush for wet hair. I just picked it up. I actually like it more than my boar's head bristle brush. I feel like my hair snags on it less. The bristles on it are super fine, so it's working really well for me so far. So here we go. Alright, I thought I'd pause and show you guys where I'm at. My hair is actually drying really quickly and very straight. Almost looks like I straightened my hair. I don't know how many videos you've seen of mine, but I typically have a bit of a wavy natural hair look. And if I want it to be poker straight, I need to straighten that. I mean, it's not that I have curly hair or anything, but wow, it's really straight. Ignore all my dead ends. I need to get a haircut really bad, but my last hair appointment got canceled and it's been a struggle, so I've got another one scheduled. But the girl I really want to do my hair is very hard to get in with, so February is my time now. It was like 2 months after my original hair appointment, so just going with it at this point. It's almost been a year since I've had my hair dyed. Thanks COVID, so I'm over it. I need some change. I need some blonder hair. I mean, I like my natural roots, but I'm ready for change. So I just finished drying my hair with the styler, and I'm actually really impressed. It is super straight. Doesn't have very much frizz to it. And it's super dry. It was actually really fast. I think that took me 8 minutes or so. Very nice. And it gave me the cutest little curves in the bottom of my hair. I probably could have made it more extreme, but very nice. I'm definitely a fan. Alright, so I thought I would do a quick review of the two stylers next to each other. This is the Revlon styler that I just used in to do my hair, and then this is actually called the Hair Sensation Pro. It is a dupe to the Revlon styler. You can get this one on Amazon for approximately $30. The Revlon styler I think is $60, but often it's on sale for like $50. So like there's a price difference of like $20–$30. From first glance, they are built extremely similarly. They have the exact same off, cool, high-low functions on the back. It does look like the mesh put into the bottom of this one, where the cooling elements are, has thicker metal, and this one has thinner metal. So I'm guessing that this one might overheat before this blue one would. Probably just a little bit more money that they can put into design. They're able to get the metal a little thinner inside there. But I mean, other than that, it looks extremely similar. I would say the other major difference is that the bristles, there's the plastic bristles, and then there's like the more short, kind of like faux, get up close, you'll see that there's like these faux boar's head bristles. On this one, they're longer. This one, they are shorter, and I really feel like that it really helps kind of grab your hair and help it kind of straighten out while you're brushing it and drying it. So do I know if there's a difference, if it's worth $30 difference? I do not. Revlon is a really trusted brand, and it's only $20–$30 more, and hopefully they'd have more more standby on their product, so if anything ever does go wrong, I'll probably be able to get it fixed with Revlon, as well as I'm not really sure anything about hair sensations. However, it does seem to work really well. I even turned them on and assessed like low to low, high to high. They sound like they have the same amount of power behind them, so they both look like great stylers. However, this is mine. I'm very excited about it, and I mean, I definitely think it's worth the $60 regardless. It's up to you if you'd rather go for the cheaper dupe. It's a wonderful hair styling product. I really do recommend. Alright, P.S. I just did a little Amazon search because I was curious. And right now, the pink one is $60. However, if you get the mint color or the turquoise or the black, check it out. It is only $39.99, so for only $10 more than the other knockoff dupe, I'm obviously gonna go with the name brand Revlon, where if there's anything that goes wrong with the product, I can get it fixed. So awesome, awesome, awesome. I would jump on that deal right there, guys. I feel like it just cut my hair getting ready time in half. I really don't ever do much to my hair. So if I'm able to dry and straighten it that quickly, I can't see why I wouldn't do that in the future way more often. Sometimes I'll just like not even bother drying my hair, but that was so quick and it made my hair look so good that I'm probably not going to stop doing it anytime soon. So that was my review on the Revlon styler. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any extra questions about it, please drop them in the comment box below. Please like, subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. And I will talk to you guys next time. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.